Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration, the ultimate destination for all things interior design. Wooden houses, also known as timber houses or log cabins, have been a beloved architectural style for centuries, offering a timeless and rustic charm that harmoniously integrates with nature. From traditional cabins nestled in the mountains to modern wooden homes in urban settings, this construction method has enduring appeal due to its sustainability, warmth, and unique aesthetic. One of the defining features of wooden houses is the use of natural materials. The primary building material, wood, brings a sense of warmth and character to the structure. Different types of wood, such as pine, cedar, or spruce, offer distinct characteristics in terms of color, grain, and durability. The use of wood not only provides an eco-friendly and renewable construction option but also creates a connection with the surrounding environment. Wooden houses are designed to be in harmony with their surroundings, often taking inspiration from the landscape and utilizing the natural features of the site. The architecture of wooden houses can range from traditional log cabins with rounded logs to modern structures with sleek, straight lines. The versatility of wood as a construction material allows for various architectural styles, making wooden houses adaptable to different preferences and design aesthetics. Wooden houses offer exceptional insulation properties, keeping occupants warm in winter and cool in summer. The natural thermal properties of wood help maintain a comfortable indoor temperature, reducing the need for excessive heating or cooling. This not only contributes to energy efficiency but also enhances the overall comfort and coziness of the living space. The interior of a wooden house often reflects a sense of rustic elegance and simplicity. Exposed wooden beams, hardwood floors, and wooden paneling create a warm and inviting ambience. Natural light is often maximized through strategically placed windows and glass doors, allowing residents to enjoy the scenic views and bathe the interior in natural light. Wooden houses also provide a sense of tranquility and relaxation, fostering a connection with nature. The rustic charm and natural materials create a cozy and inviting atmosphere, making wooden houses ideal for both year-round living and vacation retreats. The sound of rain on a wooden roof, the scent of wood, and the crackling of a fireplace add to the comforting and idyllic experience of living in a wooden house. In recent years, wooden houses have seen a resurgence in popularity, driven by a desire for eco-friendly and sustainable living. With an emphasis on green building practices and the use of responsibly sourced materials, wooden houses continue to be a preferred choice for those seeking a harmonious and close-to-nature living environment. In conclusion, wooden houses stand as a symbol of timeless beauty, sustainability, and a deep connection to the natural world. Their unique charm and versatility in design make them an attractive option. In conclusion, interior design is an exciting field where creativity flourishes and spaces come alive. We hope this video has inspired you to recognize the transformative power of interior design and start your own creative endeavors. Whether you are an experienced designer or just starting to explore this fascinating world, there is always something new to learn and discover. If you liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We appreciate your support and look forward to sharing even more exciting design ideas with you in the future. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and remember that through imagination and creativity, you have the ability to turn any space into a reflection of your unique style and personality. Happy design!